Soaps and detergents. Soaps and detergents are used daily in our houses. Here we will learn about their chemical compounds. Soaps are sodium or potassium salt of higher fatty acids. Fatty acids are the components of fats and oils that are used in making soap. They are weak acids composed of two parts: a carboxylic acid group consisting of one hydrogen atom, two oxygen atoms, and one carbon atom, plus a hydrocarbon chain attached to the carboxylic acid group. Generally, it is made up of long straight chain of carbon atoms, each carrying two hydrogen atoms. Detergents are generally ammonium or sulfonate salts of long chain carboxylic acid. The chemical reacts with hydrocarbons derived from petroleum or fats and oils to produce new acids are similar to fatty acids. A second reaction adds an alkali to the new acids to produce one type of an ionic surfactant molecule, used to make shampoos and products for cleaning clothes. Advantages of detergents over soap. Synthetic detergent can be used in hard water, and some soap gets wasted if water is hard. Cleansing action of detergents are more than that of the soaps. Detergents are more soluble in water than soap, hence they produce lather more easily than soaps.